right, I'm the flatratemaster, and let's look at the cool tools coming from Matco. Now, Matco recently had their trade show, and they debuted a bunch of stuff. So we're going to go over it real quick. Now, one of the biggest things they introduced was, well, Teal and more purple products. Teal is 100% new product line, ratchets, etc., pry bars in the teal color. Now, I like teal. My old Bel Air toolbox was teal. I don't know how excited people are for the teal covered tools, but you let me know in the comments. But they added a bunch more of the purple stuff. Pretty cool color toolboxes along with the teal toolbox. They've added air tools to the teal line, and they've added tools to the purple line. They added these pretty cool. Now, they also added these panel clip switchblades that I don't know. I don't know how useful those are. Now, Vim has come out with these ratcheting extensions where you put them on an extension and you've got a ratcheting wrench, which I think is pretty cool. This is a pretty cool product. Part number FPC2P, 2-pack fuse cleaner terminals. Now, this is something I really like. Obviously, it's rebranded, but most of the corrosion I deal with personally is in a fuse box. So pretty cool. Instead of using a, tweezers or file and going in there and individually doing them, this is a cool little tool to pick up. Fuse box corrosions, that's nice to have where it's already set up and you can do both terminals at once. These panel clip adjusting tools, I've already heard in my live stream that they suck. They seem like they'd be good. I personally don't know how useful they are, but they are something out there. But they're indexing clip lifters. Now, this is something for the EV people. EV Cool 71850 EV cooling system refiller. Comes with custom caps to allow you to EV cooling systems. Something you're dealing with, might be a tool to pick up. The Shocket kit, which is basically a wrench hit with an air hammer to break something tough loose. I think this would be more useful for the trucking industry rather than the automotive industry. Shocking something that is rusted might be a good thing. So I'm going to put this up there. They've extended the kit to bigger sizes. The typical stuff, they've got heavy duty shears and stuff like that. Now, I've talked about it many times. The door skin tool for aircraft that I use as a panel clip tool, they're now selling it, and they've also done a similar thing with cutouts for clips. I don't know how useful it is because I just use my regular panel clip tool and it works great. So, something interesting to pick up. And of course, they got a Packout knockoff. If you're not familiar with Milwaukee Packout, they're modular packing systems that you can put tools, etc., and Matco has copied it. They do now have purple and blue trays. I know for me personally, I love my orange ones. So it's pretty cool for the blue guys and the purple guys. They're adding those. Vim has also introduced these latch-on kind of surrounding fastener things to put an extension on and a ratchet to break pipes loose, I guess. So interesting. Lots of cool stuff coming from Matco suppliers this year. Just a note for those interested in the Teal roll cart with the extended drawer. Just FYI, it is not made in Jamestown. It is made in China. So it's not going to be the same quality as the Jamestown carts. They're really good quality, but not up to the real Matco carts that they actually build. So just FYI. Hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatratemaster.